Assalamu alaikum, my beautiful friends. Today we will be making pad Gaprao. It's Thai basil chicken. It's one of the most popular ordered item in all Thai restaurants. It's delicious, healthy, and easy to make. Okay, let's get started. You will need long green beans, red chilies. Traditionally they use Thai chilies, which is very spicy, but I use red chilies, which is not spicy at all. Coriander, Thai basil. Of course you can use Thai basil or sweet basil, but Thai basil is the more traditional way, but to be honest, I like sweet basil more. 4 to 6 cloves of garlic, half white onion, and a pestle to mash and mix everything together. For the sauce, you'll need 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of water, 2 teaspoons of fish sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Mix them all together and add black pepper. In most of the Thai cuisines, they add sugar to balance out the saltiness or the sourness of any kind of dish. I do not like the taste of sugar in my food, so I omit that. So if you like it, you just add sugar to the sauce mix. You will also need rice and of course chicken. You can use boneless chicken legs and or breast. It's all up to your preference. Here I use boneless chicken legs, and also you'll be needing eggs. Chop the chicken into a small tiny pieces, the smallest pieces that humanly possible. De-seed the chilies to make it less spicy, especially if you're using Thai chilies. And also we're de-seeding them because the seeds won't grind when you put them in the pestle. Cut the chilies into small pieces so it could easily be mashed with the pestle. Start with the chilies because they have a harder skin and they're not easy to mash. Then add the coriander and garlic and make it into a paste. Remove the stems from the basil and chop them roughly. In a wok, add olive oil. As if you noticed, I have substituted any kind of vegetable oil or ghee or anything into olive oil. It's just more healthy and it tastes good. You don't taste it at all and it's just very healthy. In the wok, add the chili garlic paste that we made before. Stir fry it until you can smell the aroma of the chili and garlic. Dump the chicken. Keep on stirring and sauteing until the chicken is cooked. If you like your onions and green beans al dente, then add them after you added the sauce. But if you like them soft, you could add them at the same time that you added the sauce. However, put in mind that long beans cook faster than regular beans, and long beans can be eaten raw, not like regular beans. Saute for a minute or 2, then turn off the heat. Add the basil. Make sure that the heat is off. The heat from the wok is more than enough to cook the basil. Don't overcook the basil. Now, it's time to fry the eggs the Thai style. As you heard me, we are frying the eggs. So in a pan, add a lot of olive oil. Actually, I did not add as much as oil as it's recommended to be, and I added olive oil instead of veggie oil. After you add the oil, and when the oil is hot, crack the egg and it will crisp up and the sides will be brown. If you don't like that style, you could use whatever style you like. However, I'm doing it the Thai style way. Here I'm showing you 2 ways how I did the egg. If you have this instrument, it will make your life easier, or if you have the small pan that you make only for 1 egg, that also will be very helpful. For the egg, I like to season the egg with a garlic, lemon, and salt sauce. I drizzle the sauce over the eggs. Now it's time to plate up. Put the basil chicken over a bed of white rice, yum, and then add the egg on top. As always, enjoy. وبالعافية عليكم. إذا عجبكم هذا الفيديو please سووا سبسكرايب وسووا لايك، وزي ما هو دائما المقادير والطريقة موجود في الأسفل عن صندوق الوصف. If you like this video please like and subscribe and share the love. The ingredients are in the description bar below. Bon appetit. بالهنا والشفا عليكم. أشوفكم في الحلقات القادمة إن شاء الله. مع السلامة.